A small while ago, I set out on a mission to create the first, or at least my first, 3D printable modular FPV drone. It's a culmination of all the things I've learned how to do as a builder, from things like 3D design, to 3D printing, to soldering, and even flying. 2 months and $700 later, we're here. My name is Luke, and this is the Odyssey L1. Today, we're gonna unbox a box. Nice. So these are the boxes with all the stuff in it. Here's a knife. Let's open the stuff. Let's start with the actual drone parts in it. This is a shipment from NewBeeDrone. They are the drone company that made the flight controller and a lot of other stuff. And they're also a retail company. I think that's what it's called. So they have the controller, the thing with the sticks. Alright. Ooh, bubble wrap. Wow, okay, this is like premium bubble wrap. That's actually kind of quiet. Oh, props. Motors. Oh no, this is an invoice. Okay, I appreciate that. The remote ID module, so I can fly over 249 grams. Oh, battery charger? That's the whole box. And you can't get my address because I taped it with 80 layers of blue tape. Next up, this is a box from CaddxFPV. Bubble wrap or the goggles. This is the actual kit. This is tiny. This is, okay. We have airbags, my batteries, or more batteries, adapter, another battery, and more. Oh no, I put that in. Don't worry about that. That was on Amazon. Anyways. And now we open my boxes. These are the boxes that I made. These are the things that I designed. Let's throw this away. Give me a second. These are the boxes that I designed. This has the string thing. We'll get to that later. Inside this box is pure aura. This took me approximately 3 months to design completely. And now, I have everything right here. And I think I designed it pretty well because, look at this. This is the unboxing experience. You pull this thing up, you pull up this tab, and then here's all the parts you need. It got a little bit messy during shipping, but that's okay. Here's the middle plate, the bottom plate, the top plate, all the arms, the standoffs, this thing, the camera mounts, screws, and the top plate for this thing. That's all you need. I think there is another part that I need to design, but I haven't yet because I need to know some dimensions. But that's what's in this box. Now, in this string thing, so let's build the drone part first. I'm gonna do a thing. This probably won't work how I think it is, but this vibe is never gonna return. I feel like I'm just gonna be looking back on this day in the footage and I'm gonna be like, where did all the vibe go? Where did the happiness go and the excitement? Where did my screwdriver go? My screwdriver has left the chat. Where is my screwdriver? What? Oh, you know what's fun? I realized I messed it up. Wait, did I mess up the design of the flight controller stack? Give me a second, let me have an existential crisis. You know what? My original roadmap was to be that I get this done by February. I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna make it so that I get it done within the next 3 weeks, because that's when my winter break ends. My winter break begins today, or yesterday, technically, I guess. This is where the fun begins. We have to solder. I moved the camera a little bit, but it should be fine. Here we're gonna solder. Let me start this recording. Alright. So here we're gonna solder.
This is something called a smoke stopper. Basically, if I started something incorrectly or something went wrong with the battery, it won't explode. So I want to plug it in. I think I should have done this earlier or tomorrow or something, but let's do it now. All right, ready? Scared, because if something goes wrong, it can actually explode. Oh no, probably can't because of this. All right, here we go. Here we go. Ready? It's working. It's working. Yes, 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 yes. All right. Hey there, I'm Luke. It's day 3, I think. I'm not actually sure anymore. We have a drone. The light works, and the remote ID works. See, this drone is over 250 or 49 grams, which is a problem because we have to put a legal thing on it that tells everybody what it is, where it is, and how fast it's going, whatever. And that's the only way I can fly this drone legally. It works, so I have an app here that shows me that the thing works. Now, I'm not going to show you the app because the location, of course, it has a map and it discloses my address. So we're not doing that. However, what we do have is the drone. The VTX does not work because, I don't know, I emailed them and they haven't got back to me because I emailed them 5 minutes ago. And we're going to try to do a test flight right now. I don't know how this is going to work. I have a 15-pound weight here. We're going to tie it down so it doesn't blow up my garage. Alright, let's do it. I'm gonna go get that. Okay, so we know it works. I have a drone with spinning motors, a battery, and everything. Now, okay, all the propellers are in place. The 3D printed thing should not come off. And if this works, we'll have a test flight tomorrow, day 4. And if I can do that, this is going to be the fastest, the best project that I have ever made. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I put the propellers upside down. So instead of blowing air up, it's blowing air down. Oh, that's stupid. I programmed my remote and it loses signal. It would say signal's gone. You're cooked. Alright. Fixed it. Huh. Oi, that hurt. Alright, that sucks. One of the motor connecting fell off. So I need to go home and resolder. That's awful. Alright, let's go back. Alright, I'm Luke. We're at the park again. Second try. My camera's at 67%. Let's do... You are tweaking out right now. Let's do this. Something fell off. Oh, here we go. Oh, it flies smooth. Oh, look at that, jumping around. Thank you for going on this weird little journey with me over the past couple of days, and that's all I have to yap about. See ya! Merry Christmas, Hanukkah Kwanzaa.